Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we are going to discuss concept of trigger. Let us start this session. A trigger is a code that is automatically executed or fired when its corresponding database event, for example, insert, update, or delete statement occurs. A trigger defines an action that database should take when some database related event occurs. We can conclude that a trigger is a code which automatically get fired when its corresponding database event like insert, update or delete statement is fired on a particular table in the database. The event is insert, update and delete statement. A trigger is similar to a stored procedure that is fired when an insert, update or delete statement is issued against the associated table. A trigger is automatically executed without any action required from the user. We have to invoke stored procedure. On the other hand, there is no need to explicitly invoke these triggers. These triggers are automatically invoked when we issue insert, update or delete statement. This concept is further illustrated in this figure. Here user is executing update or insert or delete statement on a table T, and this is a table T. So whenever a insert, update or delete statement is issued on this table, the corresponding database trigger, which is written for update, will be executed or fired when a user issue update statement. Similarly, when a user issue insert statement on a table T, the corresponding trigger, which is written for insert statement, will automatically get executed. Same way, when user issue delete statement on this table, the corresponding trigger, which is written for delete statement, will be executed. We can conclude that this trigger is a code which automatically get executed when its corresponding event is performed on the database. In case of update trigger, the corresponding event is update statement on the table T. So when update statement on table T is issued, the code in the trigger will automatically get executed. The same way, when insert statement is issued on this table, the corresponding code which is written in the insert trigger will automatically get executed. The same will apply for delete statement. So you can see that trigger is a code which automatically get fired when corresponding event occur on the database. In case of procedure, we have to invoke or call that code. But in case of trigger, there is no need to call the code explicitly. It automatically get called when corresponding event, for example update, insert or delete, is performed on the table. It is also important to note that trigger take no parameters, while in procedure we can also pass parameters. Now we can clearly understand the tabular comparison between database triggers and procedures. Triggers don't accept parameters, while procedures can accept parameters. A trigger is automatically executed without any action required from the user, while a stored procedure need to be explicitly invoked by the user. To read more about this, you can refer my book Simplified Approach to DBMS, which is available on Amazon platform. You are requested to subscribe this YouTube channel to receive latest video tutorials on topics like data mining, machine learning, DBMS, big data, NoSQL and many more. To learn SQL in a simplified way, you can join this free online course on SQL, which is available at Udemy platform. I have also authored books on data mining and data warehousing, NoSQL, beginning with SQL and PL/SQL for beginners. All these books are available on Amazon platform. To read more about this, you can refer my website prateekbhatia.com. Thanks for watching this video.